dancers, how you doing? We're outside. We're in another location here in the wonderful, beautiful state of Virginia. I'm going to show you a move of the week. This is called Graceful. First off, I got to make her look graceful. I got to be graceful doing it. So, see how I put that together? Show it to you first, and then we'll show you how to do it. So first on a sugar push, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. A lot going on there, but we'll break it down for you so you can see easy how to do it. First off, there's a basic move to this. So that was a fancy move. This is the basics called a sugar tuck. It's a combination of sugar push, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and a sugar tuck, which is using her right hand, my left, bring her in on 1, 2, 1, 2. I change my grip into a palm to palm placement because I want her to press off of my palm. I'm going to turn her to her right for the rest. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, turning her to her right, finishing for 5 and 6. So the compression there is important. If she doesn't spring off your palm, she won't turn. Whole thing again for the sugar push. First, sugar tuck. Second. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I stay on the track. Remember, West Coast is a forward and back progression for the follows. I'm just going to get off the track to make her do stuff. I'm going to get off the track now. So for the next part, she goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now I'm preparing her, but not really moving her. She's kind of doing her 5 and 6 in place. I move it over to her right. So it's easier if you see it front to back. So I do a sugar push first, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I'm on my right. Stephanie's coming forward on her left. Now that's where I'm moving a little bit over, because the next part is I'm going to raise my left hand, turn to my left, and complete the movement. So here it is again, adding the rest of it. A little bit slow. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Did you get it? All right, thank you for watching. No, I'm just kidding. That's the rest of it. It's not as hard as it looks, but you got to be graceful when you do. So it's easier to see front to back. So we'll get to 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to raise my left, go to my right. She's going to come forward, turn her to her left. 7 and 8. You didn't see what I did with my left hand, so we're going to go this direction here. We're going to come through. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I bring it through. 7 and 8. On and, she should be on her left foot, but on 8, I'm pulling her up onto her right foot for the ending. So it's going to push her forward to make her finish. So finishing the move, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. The ending is just a wrist turn to put her back where she was. So we'll finish that ending real quick. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and we're going to stop on 8. Just take your wrist, guys, turn it clockwise, turn it back to her other way, triple to her right. Okay, so it's a snap turn there. It's a quick turn. Don't do that, you're not being graceful. Whole thing. Sugar push. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We'll go front to back and then we're really, really done. Sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, hope you like that, guys. Whether you compete, whether you just want to dance for fun, whether you go to just a dance and you want to do something cool, you can use this. So thank you for watching. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
Click that subscribe button. It's free. All you got to do is watch our videos. You'll become an incredible dancer. I'm going to try to be one someday, like Miss Stephanie, of course. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll be somewhere else next time. Till then, have a great week. And as always,
Keep dancing.
bye-bye.